Boom, hey internet. How can you ensure that you're getting your t-shirt and apparel blanks at the lowest price? We're gonna talk about the app that's gonna help you with that right now. Hello people, Jon Phenom, clothing brand mentor. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I want to start by qualifying for this subject by saying I owned a high volume screen printing shop for over 3 years where we were producing an upwards of thousands of t-shirts a day. Nowadays for clothing brands, I talk a lot about having a home production setup with a heat press. I like to use my presses from Heat Press Nation. And the second part of that equation is I use a lot of transfers. So I use transfers for my neck labels to customize all of my non-beta apparel, and all of the graphics I do are also with heat presses and transfers. Now that's just a ground floor so that I could produce styles quickly, and I can make samples, and I could send samples out in case I needed to for a photo shoot. But the idea of doing screen printing is always an option for bigger productions. Now, whatever route you go for production, if you're here in the US, you're going to need to buy blanks. Now, whether it's All Style, Bella Canvas, Los Angeles Apparel, Shaka, or any of the other hundreds of blank choices there are, typically you can order direct from the company or use a third-party distributor. Now, if you have your sales permit and you go through the jungle of going through all these different third-party distributors, I'm sure, like most shops and most brands, you kind of lean towards maybe 2 or 3, but 2 main ones that you go to that have all the brands you like for your t-shirts and hats and whatever other blanks you need. So with all these third-party distributors, how do you know that you're not getting the best price? Well, there's an app for that, and it's an online app that's free. And this is not a sponsored video. I don't know Ian or the team over at DGI, but I had to make a video because this is such a great tool for you to use, and you should have it in your arsenal. So the app or the program is called DGI Apparel, and you could go to DGIapparel.com and you can log in and create your free account. And basically all you need to do is sign in and connect your password in to all of your third-party distributors that you might use. And once I use this app, it actually put me on to more vendors that I actually didn't know about. So whether you use Sanmar, S&S, or Augusta, or many of the other warehouses, they're all here on the app and you can connect. And basically once your credentials are connected, it can take all of the ones you use and give you pricing on the same products. So whatever specific style you might use from Bella Canvas or Next Level, you just type in that design style and the colorway, and it'll give you the prices on all the vendors you might buy from. And that includes hats, bags, totes. Any product that you can buy on any of their warehouses is gonna be available for you to compare. Ian Hinckley, the founder originally from North Carolina, worked a screen printing shop in his younger years and later met with his buddies Grant and Daniel, who came from app development, and they created this solution all together. And they have a commitment to keeping it free for the community, which is a huge plus. But either way, I think good creates good. These guys are giving you a service that's really helping you and creating more transparency so you can get all of the best prices for your brand or for your shop. Again, not a sponsored video, but Ian, Grant, Daniel, love the work you guys are doing, and this is very important for the community. That's it. Screen recordings you saw are from my actual account, so I actually use this when I am purchasing my blanks to check out what the pricing is like currently. Go to DGI Apparel to get your free account now. Any other questions about your clothing brands or anything for your t-shirt game, please drop them all down below. You can always email me at this email right here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.